Hi there, I've got with me the RAM400 1000 corner bass trap. It's a traditional corner bass trap design, but it's large volume. So it's 1 metre tall and 520 across the front face. And the profile has an air gap behind it. Absorbing bass is all about volume, so the bigger your bass trap is, the more efficient it will be in absorbing lower frequencies. Now, another feature of the RAM400 1000 is the installation channels on either side. Now, this allows the panel to be installed using a staple gun, lightweight staple gun, or alternatively, you can just pop a hole through the foam there and use 3M command hooks. So you use two hooks on either side will hold the bass trap quite securely.